So we in here. Click database. Using a three queries that use joins to get the data from the my partner database wherein the queries is a searchable practice. Then from my database, Anna-Marie customer, click querying tools. Then input my queries. Number 1 is room. Then I will try to run. Then this is my table. This is the data output. The use case, this query can be used to match hotel room. Match hotel room. To the hotel capacity on the specific floor. It's provided details about the room and their associated hotel if the number of floor where the rooms are located does not exist the hotel capacity. Then the purpose, this query might be used by hotel management or a room allocation system to ensure rooms are properly assigned within the physical constraint of the hotel. The next is guest. Next is guest. I select this. Then try to run. And the use case of this output data output, this query can be retrieved details about the guests and the rooms they are assigned to. It's combined guest information with rooms details for tracking or reporting. The purpose, it may be use of reception or front desk staff to quickly look up guest reservation and reference along with rooms assigned. And last is hotel. Then try to run. Then the use case, these queries can be used categorize hotels by their service type of classification. It's provided details about the hotel alongside it assigns category, etc. The purpose is this query is useful for travel agency, hotels, comparison platforms, or management tools that are need to organize and filters hotel based on category. And that's all.